Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 16th November to 22nd November. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week in terms of your business, money or career situation. Also what obstacles or challenges you could face, Libra. So if you are aware, you can use them well. So let's start, Libra. General energies, Libra, career, business and money, spirits and guides, angels and guides, please. General energies for Libra, spirits and guides, angels and guides, please. General energies for Libra, spirits and guides, angels and guides, please. Okay, Libra, let's start. Six of Cups, Page of Cups, Five of Swords, the Devil, Four of Pentacles, King of Cups. Okay, Libra, let's start from here. I feel the first two cards which I see here is Six of Cups. So it's a very beautiful card. It's a card of, nostalgia, being in some good thoughts, also sharing time or spending time with family, friends, meeting someone new or old acquaintances, partners from your past. This also card is like, somebody could be reaching out to you with an offer. Maybe it's a job, it's a project, some communication with this Page of Cups. Somebody from your past could make an offer to you. It could be in your personal life, in a relationship, an ex or person or a friend or a family member reaching out to you. Also, it could be in your business, career, money situation, somebody from your past with whom you have a history offering you something here. This is the offer, Page of Cups. It could, that's what I said, it could resonate. You could get a partnership, you could get a new association, a new associate. It could be a deal, it could be a project, anything, this. So basically, good news, good happy news. A job offer earlier you have rejected, or you did not get it, you might get one. So it is like something from the past. It tells about having good times. Even if you are in a meeting, if you're mixing business with pleasure, and it's kind of a very friendly atmosphere in the meetings or seminars that you are attending. Some of you will also travel for work and it will be successful. Here it seems that although these cards seem positive, but still there is a stressful situation. There is certain things which is making you restless. It is, this is a card of feeling a little toxic, feeling restless, battle in the mind. There could be some, it could be ego issues. It could be the other side also, somebody with whom you have a conflict, or otherwise also it's more about in your mind that you are there is certain it's a very positive energy, but at times you could feel some restlessness. That's what I feel here, due to your past experiences or something going on in present, in your personal life, in your professional life, situation. Of course, some of you are dealing with a toxic relationship, or a toxic boss, or or some person who is toxic in your work sphere. That could give you a stress, or there could be office politics being played. That could be stressful. But what I get here is that everything is going on fine for you, Libra, here it seems. And I do remember your readings, really positive readings over the weeks and month. I mean, quite a couple of months. This is just that you need to channel your energy into positive things rather than, because you are in a high enthusiastic, high energy zone. You need to channelize your energy into positivity and, just keep these issues aside, not to let them take priority in your mind or in your life. That's what I get here. I mean, towards positive direction, you should channelize your energies here. Four of Pentacles. So this is a card of stability with the King of Cups. So maybe you will be spending money, you will be making purchases, the festive season around, with all over the world, by December party and Christmas, and we have Diwali here, and so many other festivals along with that, Thanksgiving, so you will be making some luxurious purchases, like expensive purchases, which will burn out a little bit of your resources, but you are happy sharing it with your family, with your friends, with your relatives. This is King of Cups. You are happy to, you have worked hard for this money, and you are now putting it you are using it to make your family and friends happy, your extended family happy, and that is giving you a lot of satisfaction. This is what I get here. So you are in a stable position now financially, but you want to spend something now which will make you happy. You will have an emotional satisfaction here with this King of Cups. You will also, be looking for new avenues for work, with your work, or you want some new experiences in work, trying a little different things. That's what exploring new areas of knowledge or experience. That's what I get here. So this is it, Libra. You have Four of Pentacles here. So this Pentacle card is like you are in a stable position, as I already mentioned. And you are making wise investments for the future. You are buying, selling immovable, or you are thinking of buying, selling. You are investing into share market, bonds, fixed deposits. That's what I get here. So whatever expands your resources, whatever grows, you are doing wise investments with the Four of Pentacles. You have total control of your money here in this situation. So this is it, Libra. Let me pull out an angel guidance card. Angel guidance card for Libra. Dove, take a leap of faith. So this is your card here. Definitely it's a beautiful week. So just channelize your energy towards positive. Do not give importance to this Five of Swords energy here. So stay blessed. Thank you so much, and do subscribe if you do like my readings.